Today, I'll show you how to make tamagoyaki, Japanese rolled omelette. こんにちは, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. We enjoy soft and fluffy tamagoyaki for breakfast and in our lunchbox, but it can be a great side dish for any meal. It's not the easiest dish to make, but with practice, you can make a beautiful rolled omelette too. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
In a measuring cup or bowl with a spout, add 3 large eggs and break them up. Then add 1 tablespoon of water, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of usukuchi soy sauce, which is a Japanese light colored soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Without incorporating too much air, gently whisk the eggs with the chopsticks in a zigzag motion. First, I'll show you how to cook the omelette in a tamagoyaki pan. Heat the tamagoyaki pan over medium heat. Apply a thin layer of oil with a brush or paper towel. To check if the oil is hot enough, put a drop of the egg mixture in the pan. When you hear a sizzling sound, the pan is ready. Pour in a thin layer of the egg mixture. Pop any air bubbles and tilt the pan to distribute the egg mixture evenly. Once the surface is no longer runny, start rolling the egg into a log shape with chopsticks or spatula from the far side of the pan. Don't worry about making a perfect roll at this stage. Push the omelette back to the far side and lightly grease the front side of the pan. Pour a thin layer of the egg mixture and lift the omelette so the runny egg mixture goes underneath it. Tilt the pan to distribute the egg mixture evenly. As soon as the new layer of egg is no longer runny, continue rolling the omelette. Once again, push the omelette back to the far side and lightly grease the pan. Continue making the omelette until you are out of the egg mixture. Press down on the omelette to flatten and push it against the sides of the pan to shape it into a nice rectangular block. Transfer the tamagoyaki to a bamboo sushi mat and wrap it up while it's still hot. Let it stand for 5 minutes to allow the residual heat to finish cooking the egg and to cool slightly. Now let me show you how to cook tamagoyaki in a round medium frying pan. Since I'm using a carbon steel pan, I have to use more oil. I'd say it's harder to make tamagoyaki in a carbon steel pan, so I recommend using a non-stick frying pan to start. Grease the pan well and do the sizzle test. Pour in a thin layer of the egg mixture and quickly tilt the pan to evenly spread the mixture. Pop the air bubbles. When the egg is no longer runny, fold over the left and right sides toward the center to make a rectangular shape. Then, roll the egg into a log shape. Don't worry about making a perfect roll at this stage. Repeat the process a few more times to finish making the tamagoyaki. To serve, cut the tamagoyaki in half crosswise, then cut each half into thirds. Enjoy! いただきます。
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!